Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this look that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right in, I just want to say shout out to my Snapchat fam. Even though I don't post on there that often, I always try to pop in at least 3 times a week to say hey. But thank you guys so much for still sending me messages and sending me requests. I greatly appreciate it. I got quite a few Valentine Day requests, so I'm gonna try to get out at least 5 of them. So this is one down, 4 more to go. But yeah divas, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. Take you like a say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Okay divas, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tutorial and found it very helpful and easy to follow. I'm really glad to be doing makeup again, and I'm really glad to be bringing some requests that I got from Snapchat. And if you guys are not following me on Snapchat, definitely follow me there. I always snap back, and that is where you can reach me directly. Like, I was requested to do quite a few Valentine's Day look. I'm hoping that I could at least get out 4 or 5. Like, that's my goal I'm pushing. So this is number 1, 4 more more down to go. But yeah, divas, I had fun creating this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous divas think about this simple pink smoky eye. Well, I think it's simple. I think it's fairly simple. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. So yeah, be sure to hit that notification bell. And yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.